are funded and focused feature. Most business owners don't fail because they lack effort. They fail because they apply the wrong solution at the wrong time. That's why a short business readiness assessment is important. It shows whether your business needs clarity, alignment, direction, or precision before you spend money on plans, projections, or promises that won't help. From that diagnosis, every business follows one of 4 clear pathways. There is the foundation where businesses gain clarity, a solid base, defined offer, clear customer, and a short action plan that prevents early mistakes. The second route is development, and this is where businesses gain alignment, strategy, numbers, and operations brought into order so effort starts producing results instead of stress. The third path is growth. Where businesses are growth ready, they gain direction and they focus their decisions around expansion, partnerships, or scale, supported by planning that turns momentum into sustainable income. Fourth is the investor or funder ready path. In this area, businesses gain precision, clean financials, disciplined operations, and credible documents that lenders and partners understand and trust. Each pathway delivers exactly what the business can use now, nothing more, nothing less. So every step builds confidence, saves money, and moves the business forward with purpose.